Okay, so let's evaluate I raised to power 5. Now, from the properties of imaginary numbers, we know that I is equal to square root of -1. Then I square is going to be equal to, if I is equal to square root of root -1, then I square is going to be square root of -1 times square root of -1. Now, you know, when you multiply two root number, you are going to get that number. So this square root of -1 times square root of -1 will give us -1. Now, I raised to power 3 is going to be, now I is square root of -1 and I raised to power 2 is what? Square root -1. So now if we combine I and I raised to power 2, that will give us I raised to power 3. So this can be written as I raised to power 2 times I. So we know that I raised to power 2 is what? -1 times I is what? I is square root of -1. So if we multiply this, remember that square root of -1 is what? I. Then this square root of -1 is going to become I. So we can say that this is what? -1 times I. So -1 times I will be equal to what? That will be equal to -I. Okay, so now I raised to power 4. I raised to power 4 is going to be I raised to power 2 times I raised to power 2. Now, I raised to power 2, as we know, is what? -1 times another I raised to power 2 is -1. So -1 times -1 is what? 1. Minus times minus is plus. 1 times 1 is 1. Then I raised to power 5, which is what we are looking for. I raised to power 5 is going to be I raised to power 4 times I. I raised to power 4 times I. And we know that I is what? Or let's say I raised to power 4 is what? 1. Times I is what? Square root of -1. So anything times 1 will give you that same thing. So I raised to power 5 is equal to 1 times square root of -1, which is square root of -1. So this is the answer.